This dance is called Same Boat. It's a 32 count, full wall, improve the level line dance with one tag. Starting on the right foot, you're going to kick the right over the left. Step the right to the side, kick the left over the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Further quarter turn left as you step the right to the side. Into a sailor quarter turn to the left, stepping forward at the end. So you cross the left behind, making that quarter turn, side on the right, step that left forward. The sailor quarter step. That set of steps once more then, kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick and kick, side, touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section. The easiest way of taking that out, should you need to, is to change the first 2 turns. So you will do your kick and kick, side, touch. Now rather than turning left, turn right. So turn it into a hinge half turn. So you step back on that left, making quarter turn right. Further quarter turn right, you step the right to the side. Then go into your sailor quarter turn left. Non-turning steps should you need to try and take out that 3/4 turn in that section. So having done our sailor quarter turn, you're going to step your right diagonally forward to the right. Touch the left beside the right, step the left to the side, it will be slightly back, but to the side. Into a weave, crossing the right behind the left, left to the side, cross right over. Similar set of steps now with the left foot leading. So the left is going to step diagonally forward to the left, touch the right beside the left, step the left right to the side, slightly back, cross that left behind the right, quarter turn right as you step that right forward, step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then. Step, touch, side off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Let's add that to the top. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick and kick, side, touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn. Step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Walk forward, 2 steps, right, left. Into a mambo step, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, right beside left. Walk back 2 steps, left, right, into a coaster step, back, coaster step. Nice easy little section. Do that once more, stepping forward, walking forward on that right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step. Now just for a change, in this particular section, you have the option of adding in a full turn should you wish to. So you can walk forward, right, left. When you do that mambo step, rather than doing the mambo, if you wish to turn, you can actually do a step, pivot, half a turn, bringing the feet together, back, back, coaster step. So you can put in the equivalent of a full turn in that section if you wish. Optional turning steps, you don't get very many of them, but there's one in this dance. Needless to say, I will actually be dancing the choreographed version of the mambo step, but just remember that option is there if you wish. Let's add that to the top. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn, step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step. Add on a couple of sugar feet. So you're going to touch your right toe beside the left, touch your right heel forward, step forward on the right. Repeat with the left. Touch the left toe beside the right, touch your left heel forward, step forward on that left. Add on a rocking chair, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, step forward on the right, pivot quarter turn left. End of dance. So that last section then, sugar feet. Off on the right. 7, 8, toe, heel, step, rocking chair, step, pivot. So that is your dance. Let's put it all together. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn, step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, toe, heel, step, rocking chair, step, pivot. So that's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So that is your dance, and hopefully you get a feel for the timing. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn, step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, toe, heel, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn, step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, toe, heel, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn, step, touch, side, behind, side, cross, step, touch, side, behind, turn, step, walk, walk, mambo step, back, back, coaster step, toe, heel, step, rocking chair, step, pivot. So that's your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 6. So wall 6 is your 3 o'clock wall. You'll be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do the tag. Your tag, quite simply, is sway right, sway left. Nice little tag. End of wall 6. Now a cue for this tag coming up. As you're dancing through wall 6, when you get to the rocking chair, the music will slow down. You keep dancing at exactly the same speed. Do not slow down with the music. And then you add on your tag, sway, sway, and you carry on as normal. So let's have a go at wall 6, a 3 o'clock wall. Add the tag on, and restart the dance. Kicks off on the right. 7, 8. Kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn. Step, touch, side, behind, side, cross. Step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, back, coaster step. Toe, heel step, rocking chair step. Pivot tag, sway, sway. Kick and kick, side touch, starts the dance again. So hopefully you can see how that fits in, and remember when you get to that rocking chair, the music slows down. Just keep dancing at the same pace. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music.
We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wondering where the same time goes. We're all in the same boat.
5, 6, 7, 8.
We can all believe when we believe.
Turn, sailor, turn. Step, touch, side, behind, side, cross. Step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, back, coaster step. Toe, heel step, rocking chair step. Walk, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn. Step, touch, side, behind, side, cross. Step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, back, coaster step. Toe, heel step, rocking chair step. Walk, kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn. Step, touch, side, behind, side, cross. Step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, back, coaster step. Toe, heel step, rocking chair step.
We're all in the same
Kick and kick, side touch, turn, turn, sailor, turn. Step, touch, side, behind, side, cross. Step, touch, side, behind, turn, step. Walk, walk, mambo step. Back, back, coaster step. Toe, heel step, rocking chair step. Kick, kick. Step, touch. Walks. Shoulders. Wall 6.
If you're holding, take those shots and keep reloading.
Step touch.
Can't be nice, don't say nothing at
Step
all.
touch.
So help somebody, mind been struggling, spread a little love. Gotta give back something if the shit
Toe,
keeps
heel step,
running.
toe, step, rocking chair step. Hip tag, sway, kick and kick.
Fishing in the same hole, wonder where the
Step
same
touch.
time goes. Money too, trying to
Walk.
get the same gold cars, wishing on the same stars.
4.
We're all in the same boat. We're all in the same boat.
Hope you managed that one.